Alright, my people, and I welcome back onto this channel. It no be smart and this one another one with the reach also still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly waiting the be. Exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Now no be smart, many things that they go wrong right now. In fact, many things that they go wrong right now as we they talk for inside the Yoruba land. We don't tire, everybody they cry, everybody they pariwo. Say which kind thing be they say. No wonder the Yoruba nation agitators don't talk say the best now for us to go our separate ways. Your health now, with the news where they reach us right now, the people of Ibadan land, they don't cry out, they don't cry, they shout, they pariwo, say like this, or say this governor Seyi Makinde, don't start again, no. This governor Seyi Makinde, he don't they make everybody they cry you, waiting on they happen. Now, all the people come outside and say the way we be say this governor upon say hunger, they the land. Upon say the other shape too much this man and now he can't no say he go dey demolish people house. My brother, my sister, which kind thing be that? Yes, so now waiting they reach us be that in case you never hear if you get people for Ibadan if you get people for your state now, my brother, my sister, make you they call them say how far that house will be say I live up say they never reach our street. Now they say the governor now he can't check, he can't see say this map road supposed to pass here, this one road supposed to pass here. So waiting can they do now be say he can't they destroy those houses according to the news where they reach us now he make me say make a let on know. Now he can't say now the governor don't come outside though. He say some people they let us they know say he want do some renovation for people landing, for people housing. And we already know say this kind thing anytime we be say they want do road now all this kind thing they happen as far as this country is concerned. You go just see one governor go come outside say this place is supposed to be road. When he never enter, when be say this man they suffer where they beg people say I beg you make una vote for me. If I did there, I go do well, I go do now well. See say that place in a road, but now he don't get the power. He don't dey there now. The next thing you do the year say yes, this one is supposed to be major road, the federal road, state road. We need to pass one kind place here. Make we put one kind thing here. Now that time they remember say all the people who vote for them they need to demolish their houses because they won't put to their road. My brother, my sister, Baba God now your hand with them as we they speak now. Everybody don't come outside no more, no be small something they happen for Ibadan land right now as we they talking. Now everybody don't come out and say, Seyi Makinde, why you they suffer us? Why you they suffer your people? Where do you want us to stay? Where do you want us to start from? Why demolishing our houses without providing alternative? That one another strong one. Because we don't think this thing. Any government will say he want demolish buildings, say sake of say this building e dey road, or sake of say they want repair, they want do renovation. At least that government supposed to get a mind. They say okay, as soon as they so all of us will be human being. And as it is so, okay, make we try, make we get another place where we say on our one go they stay. Say because this one a road, at least the government get money now to do and undo. Government if say okay now, what thing we go do be say since now dey this place and we know how the country be hardship everywhere. No make una no worry. This place now, what thing we go do be say we go give on a house where una go they stay. Or since now we won't use the place, make no worry, we go give una place for another land where we say una go fit build a house. And at the end of it all, if the government don't see say he don't do this one, make he carry the document of that house give it to these people. which one be say una go just come, una go destroy everything without providing for where these people then go stay. This one dey happen for Ibadan land, and they are dey pity the people wey dey for Ibadan land. Now everybody don dey cry out, everybody don dey say abeg make una help us beg our governor Seyi Makinde, make e tamper mercy with Johnson, make e try invest, make e do the needful, because now we no get where we wan go. Hey, yeah, we no get where we go stay. Couple with the hardship wey be say e dey the country, everything cost, everything dey expensive, my brother, my sister, for this country now wey we dey talk, everything don cost. Seyi Makinde, we dey use to beg God, we dey beg you, make you tamper mercy with the Johnson, make you do something about this, because this thing we don't know where we wan start from. Now waiting the people come dey cry be that too. Now they say before you carry your caterpillar say you want to destroy all the houses wey be say dey the area where you talk say you wan use, why you no let these people understand, say okay, see this thing wey I wan do, so na like this, na like this, okay fine, we know say as e be so e go affect una definitely. Now we be all human beings, e must affect people. Shey na this hardship wey be say people never even see money to chop, na you go come say make person go start all over, go say e wan dey build house, abi na the cement wey be say e don cost now, wey be say hey my brother, my sister, people never see money to chop, shey na cement we come say wan buy. How many bag dem wan buy, my brother? Our excellency the governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde, the people don call us, say make we help them talk this thing out, so that at least you go tamper mercy with Johnson, make you just try your best, make it things for work out. People dey hungry for the country now. This one no be even time say you wan come say you wan go build house. Who dey even dey build house now? And another thing be say most of all those houses where you dey see, most of the people wey be say dem even dey that house sef, wey be say majority of them wey dem dey call themselves landlord for that area, my brother, if I tell you say majority of them na inherit all those things, dem jogun all those things wey you dey see. Many of them sef dem be caretaker wey be say at the end of the day God come butter them bread. The owner of the house maybe kpai, at the end of the day they come say okay fine, since the owner of the house no get the pikin, no get the children, okay, himself as a caretaker making them manage the place. Now you don destroy everything wey be say the only thing wey be say the person fit fall back on, wetin una wan make the society come dey talk about una. Now the people come dey talk say even if them no cause this government, make them no use their mouth to cause this government, their eleda, their God wey be say dem get, wey dem get go definitely deal with una. If una no do the needful, now they come say okay fine, we no even say make you no do wetin you suppose do, maybe sake of say you come say oh road pass there, okay no wahala, but abeg get one land for these people, get one particular place, make all of them go build their house there, and then make you give them their documents. Okay, we don try for now, at least even if una one plot the person been get, if you just okay make we build the half plot for them, make them even see where dem go dey stay. We know say land plenty for Oyo State, wey be say government go fit say okay this one, okay make we set am aside for these people wey be say we destroy their house. No be say you go come dey demolish house, wey be say you go come tell the people say anywhere wey they wan go make them go. Your own be say you wan build the road. No, now all of us will be human being, and make you remember say na these people na dem vote for you when you dey campaign. Say abeg this, in fact during this second time wey be say you come dey talk say if you reach there wetin you no do for first time you go do better thing. Now may no come be say na that thing wey be say you no do for first time, and you be this demolition of house wey you come dey do for this second time. Abeg make it no be like that o. These people dem be human being like me and you. Make you put yourself inside their shoe, make you see as e go be. Forget the position wey be say you dey now, you sef put yourself inside their shoe, make you check am out whether e go gel for your body. These people now they don't cry out to us. So Pilado world, I beg you, any wish way be say you go feel let this government know about waiting the sup. I beg you, make it help us. Now him they do now, my people. I don't they talk to Ramo. I know say God go let this update make it reach the governor. I know say somebody one way or the other go fit even tell the governor say see wetin dey sup o. The people then they beg go say make e help them at least do something because this hardship is too much. Wetin we dey think no be to go build house o, na how to put food for our belle upon say the hardship as everything be so everybody still dey struggle to chop. Only to chop sef na im majority of people dey think no be to come go say in one dey build house. Baba God na your hand we dey. People come dey shout say see now na the reason wey we dey shout say Yoruba nation be this. If to say our Yoruba nation na im we dey, nobody go come say okay you no go think of about in fellow brother. You go think deep say okay this one na my blood. No, I no go do like that because Yoruba nation no be like a one Nigeria wey everybody them dey talk about. Now the people dey cry out to abeg make una help us beg this governor for your state, Governor Seyi Makinde, make him tamper justice with mercy, make he help us. Say this thing wey you dey do make e stop shebel. Abeg stop shebel. If not provide another house for us, na beg we dey beg. Yes o, na beg we dey beg una. So the people come dey talk. This one wey be say I bring come for now na for the benefit and on behalf of the people of Ibadan or for your state. Unto this one they don cry out o, say make we help them. Talk to the whole world. I know say everybody dey hear this thing. Make una dey share am so that it go reach the governor side. Now beg we beg you, governor, I beg you, Governor Seyi Makinde, I beg you help us. Now so the people then they talk. Say make this governor make it help them, make it help them get a better place where they go stay. If at all he must demolish the building. You know easy for us as it be like this, you know easy. People they cry every day. Then the people they even they manage even the house where be say the governor want destroy now house where be say then they manage themselves. Say at least make your sure they see food they chop. Everything done dabaru. Now the thing where they reach us now be that so we are say make a let on know waiting the hot as the Gomina. All right, my people still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly waiting the bill. Exactly why the people then they talk about Tamo until I come on our way next time. I beg you, if this one are your first time where you join us for this channel, I beg you, make you help us, make you share them, make you subscribe, make you they like them as they hot. No let them cool until I come your way next time, my people. I say on a bye for now.